Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel. Today's update is on the 1971 Deluxe restoration we have currently having. As you can see, I've got all the front together, windscreen in, headlights, the indicators, the grille, it's all wax all behind there. I've got all the side windows in, rear windows, side markers. I've realigned the sliding door because that was rubbing on the bodywork, so I've got to touch that in. Back ends all together, all the indicators and the reverse lights. As you can see, the inside, I've restored all the column, powder coated the indicator stalk bracket, but I'm waiting for that to come back from the powder coaters. I've got a new sticker made the top of the column. The steering wheel will be replaced because that's all broken and battered like they normally are. The wiring, I've still got a bit more tidying to do. The pedals are in. Handbrakes all in, powder coated. With the AAC handbrake knob, I've got through today the washer bottle, the electric kit, that's going in. Let's take it up and show you the underside. As you can see, it's really taking shape under here. I've had the steering box reconditioned by N2 Engineering. They did a fantastic job. Got the pedals back in, they're all powder coated. Powder coated all the brake there, the brake pedal. New drag links. Got new tie rods to go on. I've just got these to set the steering up, the old ones. Idler pin, the axle's all done obviously. All the brakes are powder coated, new ball joints. Got all the new copper hoses in there I've made. Yeah, she's really starting to take shape. Got the gearbox in the back, that's been reconditioned by a company up north, I can't recall their name. That's to go in soon. Yeah, it's really taking shape. Clutch cable's in. The IRS is in. It's been a lot of work, but we're getting there. Soon we'll be ordering the alloy wheels and the low profile tyres, and we'll set the suspension height up. Needs a badge, wipers and the bumpers I've got to restore yet. There we go. Thanks for watching.